Liuzhou, a beautiful industrial city known for its clear mountains and water, gives birth to famous Chinese industrial enterprises such as SAIC-GM Wuling, Liugong, Liugang, and Liuqi. Relying on the strong local industrial environment, Liuzhou Jingye Machinery Co Limited was established in 1997. It professionally designs and produces fully automatic single-stage injection blow molding machines and injection stretch blow molding machines and supporting molds. It also provides the one-stop solution of design, production, sales, and after-sales service. Jingye was one of the Chinese mainland's first companies engaged in this industry and has 22 patented technologies now. The company covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters, including the production workshop of 8,000 square meters. Jingye Machinery has developed more than thousands of products for customers, mainly applied in a wide range of niche industries, including pharmaceutical, medical, biological, cosmetics, daily chemical, baby feeding bottle, sports water bottle, food and beverage, LED bulb cover, etc. Available raw materials include PET, PETG, Triton, PC, PP, HDPE, PMMA, PPSU, PES, LDPE, PS, SAM, etc. Mr. Wen Bingrong, the founder of Jingye Machinery, has been engaged in the research and development of plastic machinery since the early 1980s. He's the inventor of the automatic blow molding machine in Chinese mainland and enjoys the special allowance of the State Council of China as a senior expert for a lifetime. Since its establishment, the company has been focusing on plastic blow molding technology. There are two existing series of models in Jingye Machinery: Injection Blow Molding Series, Injection Stretch Blow Molding Series. We can also supply specially customized models to meet customers' need. With excellent techniques and the concept of being the exquisite blow molding technology explorer, the technical team continuously innovates and maintains the sustainable development of the company. Every Jingye staff maintains the attitude of excellence in the quality of each part. The company has all kinds of advanced production and processing equipment, and the final process of the key precision parts is processed by Jingye Machinery internally. With advanced testing instruments and equipment, the quality department carries out strict quality control of every link of production. Jingye Machinery is equipped with high-quality international brand components, ensuring the stable operation of the equipment, and has an experienced after-sales service team for customers to keep away from worries. The excellent quality of Jingye machines has won the recognition and praise of domestic and overseas customers. Since 2020, it's been rated as top 5 enterprises in China plastic blow molding machine industry by China Plastic Machinery Association for 3 consecutive years. Adhering to the spirit of sincere dedication, Liuzhou Jingye Machinery Co Limited is dedicated to offering you new and better products and excellent service.